Northern Europe is inhabited by the so-called Germanic tribes. My name is Erik Hemming and I work for the Åland University of Applied Sciences in Finland. In this map here, the Germanic languages are marked as red, as you can see, and they are very well suited for intercomprehension. We cannot readily understand half of the words, and we just mainly need to get used to how people say them. Of course, grammar varies, and there are differences in how words are used, but it is something which can be learned in a question of months if you move to another country. So the tribes, they are spread out like this. They also have a lot of variation inside the countries, as we can see from this map here, where you have different shades of dialects inside the languages. And an interesting thing is that as you get closer to the borders between the countries, you can see here that the dialects actually go into another country. So that means that the people speak very similar on both sides of the boundary of the border, but on the other side of the country they have a totally different. Like down here in Bavaria, they have more like an Austrian dialect. So they will probably, and the southwest of Germany goes into Switzerland easily. The same goes for the languages up here that you can see around Sweden and Norwegian borders, and the languages are very similar. So this is what makes intercomprehension fun, because it is easy. And if you take it even more fun, then you can take a video like this one with the pictures and a good song, and also the texts written down, which makes understanding German for the other people in the Germanic languages something which is a pleasure, really. If you feel that you want to study this text a bit closer, then you can go to a text site and you can check out how it is written. And if you really want to check that you have understood it properly, just paste it in Google Translate. But remember, it is better to translate it to English, because English seems to be the center of the Google Translate, so it works better that way. And German is not maybe the easiest language among the Germanic tribes. Maybe it is Dutch. Here's a song in Dutch. Of course, you can find many good songs in Dutch. And if you find the text to it, you will see that it is something you can really quite easily understand. It is based in Holland and Belgium, and the northern Germany is also a place where the dialects are similar to Dutch. And that has spread into the Baltic Sea area, because the Hanseatic League was then 700 years ago, they spread out the trade to that area. So the languages have been influenced a lot from the Dutch dialects. And in the next video, I'm going to say something about English and how that language is very good for using in intercomprehension. See you in the next video.